What are we making today?
Challah!
Rosh Hashanah is around the corner, and growing up, one of our favorite things to do was make challah for the holiday. They're as excited as I used to be. So one of the things that's so special about challah on Rosh Hashanah is that we make it in a circle. Why do we make it in a circle, guys? We make challah in a circle so that we have a complete and full new year. And what kind of challah are we making today? Do you guys know?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
And a braided.
And 8 braided. Yeah. We're also going to make apple butter challah and challah buns in the shape of pomegranates. Close. And one of the reasons that we're going to add some sweetness to our challahs is so that we have a sweet new year. So we hope you enjoy the journey. But first, don't forget to
like and subscribe
so that you can watch not only this video, but all the other ones coming out this new year. To make an 8-stranded challah, you will roll out 8 rolls, and you'll make them approximately 2 feet long, and then you'll put 2 together. So you're left with 4, and then you'll put them in this hashtag formation. From here, you'll go over and under. So here you have 1 under, 1 over. So you'll go over, under. You'll do the same steps here, over, under, and also here, over, under, and then here, over, under. And you will continue to work over and under all the way around. Once you have gotten to the point where you cannot continue to braid, you'll take the ends and tuck them underneath your challah. And you have a beautiful braided 8 braid rounded challah. To make your pomegranate challah rolls, you'll make a roll of dough. You'll take a little ball of dough and put it right on top. And then you will make 4 cuts in the top one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically cutting an X with your scissors into the top ball. In order to make an apple butter stuffed challah, you will roll out a log of dough and then flatten it down. And then you'll start to add apple butter in the center as a filling. Less is more. You want the taste of apple butter, but you don't want it to overflow or run out of your challah. Now you need to roll your challah so that the filling is in the center. And pro tip is that you want to make sure that you pull both ends, pull the bottom up, and then wrap the top over so that your filling stays inside and doesn't ooze out. Once you have one long log, you will want to turn it into a circle. And to do that, you'll take one end, curl it in a little bit, wrap around loosely. You want to give it enough room so that as it rises, because you're going to proof it again for an hour, that there's room for it to move, and then tuck the side under the center. And that is your apple butter stuffed challah. This is a chocolate and plain challah that is a showstopper that will impress your guests and taste delicious. You'll begin by rolling out your dough. You'll make both a plain and a chocolate dough that's rolled out into a rectangle. getting it as thick as you can and making sure that if any holes happen while you roll it out, that you go ahead and seal them. And then you'll also roll out a companion chocolate that you will lift up and place on top. Place it on top of the vanilla. And you want it to cover roughly 3/4, not all the way to the top. And then you will take a pizza cutter and you will cut slits into the dough at the top. Once all your rows are cut, you'll begin by rolling at the bottom, and you're just gonna roll it up. Grab a greased baking dish, pull your challah around so that you have made a round challah, and then lift and place carefully into your greased baking dish. Wishing you a
Shana Tova Umetuka.
May your new year be sweet and full of happiness, joy, peace, laughter, health, and memories that carry you through to the new year. See you next time.
Bye.